Hey everyone, I just picked up this brand new secondary water inlet valve for my refrigerator from Supply and Demand. I got this because I knew my primary valve was working because I was getting ice in my ice maker, no problem. But when I tried to use the water dispenser, no water would come out. So I knew that it was the water side of the secondary valve. So I bought this one. It has a neat little feature where show you. Yeah, this matches my original perfectly. So this looks really good. When you've got your valve in there, you see it won't come out. If you take a 1/2 inch wrench, push down on this little plunger, just put pressure there, then it pops right out. Moment of truth. Okay, so that did the trick. I'm very happy with the secondary water valve that I bought from Supply and Demand. This is my old one. I have both ice and water now, so that's a wonderful thing, and I hope you found this helpful.